Hey guys, I am back with another video. Please excuse me, I have my work shirt on. I want to talk about the Medium College bag from Saint Laurent. I have a love-hate relationship with this. I usually prefer more structured bags, or at least bags that hold their shape. And with this bag, over time, it loses its shape. But I love this bag so much because I love the color, I love the chevron, and I love just the style and the ruthenium hardware, this top handle with the back pocket. I just love it so much. This is the third one that I've owned. I just got this one on Fashion File. It's from 2020. It looks brand new, honestly. I'm not sure the person used it at all. But I replaced the one that I got from Harrods last year because you can see the shape difference, right? So this one I got brand new from Harrods, 2019, maybe 2018. I haven't used it that much. I do keep it stuffed in my display case, and you can see how it has lost its shape. Other than that, the bag itself is in perfect condition aside from some structure loss. The chain has like a little bit of turn, like one tiny little spot that looks like the ruthenium rubbed off and it's like red. You would never notice it. So I am selling this for a really good discount. Again, the bag itself is perfect. There's no flaws. Oh, wait a second. There's a flaw on the inside. Where the zipper pull rubbed up against here, so there's some indentations right in here. Other than that, the bag itself is in great shape. It just lost structure. And that's what it is about this bag. It's a soft bag that's kind of like top heavy, so it scrunches down and it loses structure. I'm thinking that maybe I should not have kept it stuffed, because now that this one has less stuff in it, the shape is better. So I'm not sure. Can anyone who has this bag please comment below and tell me if you overstuff it, if you don't stuff it, how do you store it, have you lost structure? Please let me know, because I mean, it is a soft bag, so I feel like it's going to happen anyways. This is it for me. I'm not going to buy a fourth one. This is it. So I am selling this one for anybody who's interested. Leave a message below. You can find me on my Instagram, Bougie Punker. I'll leave the link below as well. And just let me know, because I'm going to sell this for a really good price. Anyways, this is the one I got from Fashion File from 2020. Basically, it's in perfect condition, but you can already see a little bit right here where it's caving in. You get this like S on the side. I get so jealous when I see people whose has theirs and it's just like perfectly flat like that. I think maybe I might have to store it, empty on its back so that I can get it to do that. Does anyone have any insight on this? Please comment below if you have this bag. I'm just looking for information here. And real quick, I moved. That's why you haven't seen me. I moved back to the Jersey area. This is my closet. So it's a little bit messy, but it's just like one bedroom is like a big walk-in closet. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment below what you guys think of this bag and any tips that you might have for me, because I do love it so much. It's so functional for my lifestyle. But, the structure loss is annoying. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.